Welcome and what is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to do an update on what I traded today and what I'm planning to trade and what made me profit 5% today. This is one of my best days so far since I started this challenge. Up 5% in one day. But before we get into what I traded and what I gained profits from, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it a lot. Alright, so getting into it, the stocks that I traded for this profit today were basically actually all of my stocks, because all of my stocks were in the green today. We'll start off with Crocs, and we're going to work our way to the ones that made me the most amount of money, so make sure you stay to the end so you see which ones made me the most money and can also make you the most money. So, first of all, Crocs. Crocs had a pretty good start in the day. It was up to like $29.10. Then it started going down a bit. But I still see it has potential to keep going up. The only thing I would be cautious of is a potential, what do you call this? Sorry, double top pattern right here, one top and the other top. But I need to confirm it with some better charts because, as you all know, Robinhood charts aren't the best. So I just confirmed that if it might be possible head and shoulders. Double top, so I need to be just cautious about that. Second stock, VHI. VHI is this crazy growth stock, was recommended in the Discord group. By the way, if you aren't in our Discord server, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can join. It's very awesome there. There's everyone shouting out stocks, helping each other out. Very nice place to be, and it's free, so there's no harm in joining. So the stock VHI is actually a pretty interesting stock. It's been growing pretty rapidly. It has had a pretty distant future where the price was really high, but ended up tanking down to around the support, which is around $2. And now it's growing like crazy, and I don't see any resistance levels until maybe around $6 or maybe $5. Potential resistance levels that the stock will stop maybe. Yeah, $5 maybe, but that's still a whopping like 15-20% profit you can make off of this stock, VHI. So I might be putting in some more shares soon. Alright guys, so TVIX, I had to sell one share. Well, I didn't have to, but I chose to sell one share of TVIX today at around $28.93. And that was because I wanted to sell it to buy some more DWT stock when it was crashing. Ended up getting it at fairly decent price in DWT, but we'll talk about that right after TVIX. So TVIX, as you guys know probably if you're watching my videos, inverse of SPY, except a lot more volatile. And it's looking to reverse really soon if the S&P 500 does start to reverse and start trending down. So I'm holding one stock right now, and I may have to cut my losses soon because sometimes it has these little jumps right here, as you can see, and it just falls right back down. But if it does continue trending up, then after I make my profit off of DWT, I'll probably put some more shares into this because this has a profit margin of about 50 to 55%, which is, again, enormous. Now it's probably like at 60%, so yeah, I really want to invest in this once it starts trending up. So the one you've probably been waiting for is DWT. DWT today has been crazy. It's been up 9.4%. At a certain point in the day, it was up like 11%, which is absolutely fantastic and great for those who held DWT stock today. I bought in 3 shares at $8.60, which is not the worst price. It's where it is right now. But I'm still looking for the stock to trend upwards. If we were to draw a trend line, we can't really draw a trend line here. If you guys want me, after I tell you this, I'm going to go on to the crude oil charts on the internet, and I'll draw a quick chart for you guys to see. But this stock has a lot of potential. I still feel like it has the potential to go up to maybe $9.50 or even more. But I'm going to show you that right now in the crude oil investing app. Alright, so looking at the chart for crude oil, and DWT is the inverse of crude oil. So that means we want crude oil to fall if we're in DWT. So while mentioning that, I'm going to draw the support and resistance on here. The resistance I found was right around here, if that looks alright. And this stock, I thought it was going to create a sort of head and shoulders pattern, which it kind of did. I wouldn't call this a full head and shoulders, but there was going to be like You know what? Never mind. All right, let's just skip to the point. So, and I'm going to draw support right around here where it usually bounces, and I think would be right around here. So maybe, and just maybe, the support may just be right here. If you guys know what I'm saying, give me 1 second, let me draw this. So the support also may be right here, as you guys can see, but I've noticed that every time it goes down, it goes below and goes onto this trend line. So I have a pretty much larger belief that the support is on this trend line that I'm moving right here. Not this one, but this may be possible that the stock may try to bounce up a little bit. And it had some like huge spikes down, and then it pulled back a little bit and then spiked down like crazy. The only thing we have to be cautious of is a potential reversal back up. We don't want that to happen, but it may happen, so we need to be cautious of it, wary of it, and then if it doesn't go our way, just cut my losses, or cut our losses if you want to do as well. Then you minimize your risk and you minimize your losses. So that's just going to be my video today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're over 325 subs already. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and joining into the community. If you guys aren't yet a part of Robinhood, let me get to Robinhood. So Robinhood has this special offer that if you join using someone's referral link, like I have a referral link in the description below, if you'd like to sign up for Robinhood, if you use that link, then you will get a free stock, as well as I will also get a free stock. So far I've gotten 3 free stocks from Robinhood, completely free. There's no catch or anything. They just want more people to sign up, so they have people referring other people. So it's just simple. You just use the link to sign up, and you also get a free stock, which is awesome. It benefits both of us, and it's a win-win situation. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week.